guys, I'm back at the hot springs. I just can't keep away from the place. Oh, I'm sorry, but I can't stop taking video of this place. And well, I mean, you've been recommended, you've had recommendations, I mean, from people I've brought here, etc. They all love it. It's beautiful, and if you're really lucky, you can come down here when there's not a lot of people. But I'm not sure today because we're not at the main place yet. So I just want to show you this in the video. This is one of my favorite spots. It's just amazing. This place is so well maintained as well. Now it's 200 pesos to get in here, and I've had only one comment, to be fair, that it seems a bit steep, but trust me, it's worth every penny. It's not steep, because I mean, what is that in UK currency? It's about nearly just under £3. It's about £2.80, something like that. You can add a dollar or so up more for dollars. I'm just speechless when I come here, really speechless. This is the kind of stuff I love. So I'm back at the hot springs, and I'm here with David and Mary Ann. David's from the UK, Mary Ann is from Manila, and they've known each other a couple of years now, and she's his fiance, he's her fiance, and I don't know when they're getting married, I've not really asked. But they're living here in Naga, they're looking around for a property that, you know, something permanent. So I said I'd help them get a house. Now whether I can do, I don't know, but I'll try and help them get a house, because the one that they're renting at the moment is just ridiculous money. I think it's the foreigners' rent they're paying. So we'll have a look at that. Right, you two, so again I brought you to the hot springs. It seems to be the main place everybody wants to visit.
Yes, most popular here.
Yeah. Now, you've just got here and you're not at the place you need to be yet, by the way.
It's further up there, I guess.
Yeah. So, what do you think so far?
I think it's brilliant. It's great.
Beautiful.
We're so lucky that we've got somebody to show us around. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you so much, Chris.
You're welcome. Now, you're from the UK, and you've known this beautiful lady for 2 years, is it now?
Nearly 2 years.
Nearly
yes.
2 years, right?
Next month is our anniversary, 2 years.
Wow, I bet he doesn't know that.
Because it was Valentine's Day.
So, like I say, you're living in Naga now. You've been here just a little while, not very long.
3 days.
And you're hoping to find somewhere permanent in Naga, or?
Yeah, we'd like to buy a house or continue renting, but if we find a cheap enough place to buy, then that's what we'll do.
Right, great stuff.
Yeah.
So I'll try and help you do that. I can't make you any promises, but I'm sure I can find something better than what you've got, or at least cheaper.
Absolutely.
So I'm in the hot spring now, literally, which I don't think I've done before.
Is this fresh water, Chris?
What?
Is it fresh?
Yes, comes from up. It comes from up the mountain. I wouldn't drink it though,
I'm not going to.
because there's houses up the mountain and they all
Yes, it's not filtered.
they all wee and stuff in it. Oh, didn't I tell you that? Sorry about that. Can you see up there? It's this little figurine thing, and he's weeing into the pool. I mean, how cool's that?
Mate, no swearing, you're on YouTube now, possibly.
Yeah. Now, his wife-to-be there can't swim.
Yes, I like it.
She's ever so sweet. So what we got? We've got some Americans and some Filipinos. It's a little bit more busy today than what it normally is. You can always spot the Westerners, especially the women, because they wear bikinis and not, you know, they're not fully clothed when they jump in the water. Which I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, it's just saying. So let's see if these guys will be pleasant and say anything to me. So where are you guys from?
I'm from California, he's from Texas, they're from the UK.
You know, I was scared you were going to say America then. It's like, yeah, no. How long are you here for?
I'm here for 10 days. He's already been here for 2 months and another 2 months.
Yeah.
Staying over at Wakeford Park.
The CWC?
Uh-huh.
Oh, right, cool.
Yeah. How about yourself?
I'm living here now. I have a YouTube channel, Brit in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No way.
So you're going to be on my YouTube channel now.
Nice.
So you're going to be famous.
Brit in the Philippines.
A Brit in the Philippines, yeah.
Where are you originally from in Britain?
I'm from Nottingham in the UK.
I thought you were from there.
Yeah. Well, no, my accent is Geordie. I was born in the north.
I got it wrong. I said Birmingham.
Birmingham? Really? So, how are you finding the water park? Good? Yeah?
Alright, it was pretty good.
Yeah? So, have you been here before? Is this your first visit?
Yeah, last year.
Yeah.
And then, it's my 3rd time.
Cool. I've normally got my GoPro, but I wasn't going to take any video today, so I'm just using my iPhone. Just in case you're wondering.
Cool.
Anyway, thanks guys.
Yeah, no problem.